buddy. Here we go. Welcome to the third family vlog. Huh? Vlog? We've been over this. We don't need two vlogs on the word vlog. All right, let's take this baby up to speed. So this boat has a tendency, when I let go of the steering wheel, to veer hard right. And it's really obnoxious because I can't just like set it at speed and then leave for a couple of hours. Let the boat do the work for you, am I right? I mean, where's cruise control for boats? Oh, can you tell I had pizza for dinner? Whoa! Whoa!
That lighting, I kind of dig that.
Is it super dramatic?
You got some good sun flare
Madison.
behind your head. I never drive. What is this? Because I'm the woman.
That cannot go on.
Isn't that why I don't drive? Although it's true, when we were first together, you didn't really let me drive because I was kind of a bad driver. But I got better. When you ride in a boat, you should wear a life jacket, especially if you're a baby. If you're not a baby, life jackets are optional if you don't care about dying. I'm gonna hit a tree. Also,
What?
always ride the waves. Ride your own waves.
And since now could be considered a vlogging expert, I'm going to end this video very smoothly and clean, and I'll probably actually just chop the video in the middle of that sentence. Good night and good riddance. You're supposed to leave. Shout out here to Madison for also starting a vlog at the same time, incidentally. I liked your bad hair day. I mean, I liked the vlog about your bad hair day. Her next video too, the one where they went to the Mackintoons.
I don't think I saw that one.
You didn't see Madison. She did not see your crowning achievement, the video of you and Megan going to the grocery store. I don't know, it's like 2 days old. Like, where have you been?
It's that as well.
Is it?
Is it a place for a Disney soundtrack?
No.
Yep, done that too.